Welcome to the Clearwave Fiber Customer Administration Portal Training Video Series. In this series, you'll learn how to manage your company's hosted voice service by following brief demonstrations of the different settings in the administration portal. In this video, we're going to cover how to view and modify your schedule for the hosted voice system. Schedules ensure your call flow functions appropriately during open and closed hours. Schedules can interact with your hunt group setup, your auto attendant setup, or both depending on your business needs. Keep in mind, your schedules will already be built by our voice engineering team before we install your services, so any changes needed immediately after install should be minor. From your landing page after logging into the Customer Admin Portal, click Enterprise Services in the left side menu, then click Schedules. You'll notice you have an option for location schedules or global schedules at the top. Location schedules can be set up if you have multiple locations that have different schedules, but for a majority of customers, we'll set everything up in the global schedules. So that's what I'm going to click on. The schedules with AAR in the beginning of the name are pre-built templates. We don't like to use those templates because of how difficult it is for customers to modify the schedules using them. We'll create you brand new open, closed, and holiday schedules when we build your services. Let's start by looking at the open schedule. To view the schedule, click the pencil icon on the far right. If you click the right-facing arrow in the upper left side of the schedule, you can scroll out to future weeks to view the schedule in the future as well. When you open the schedule, the view you see starts at midnight, so you will scroll down to view the open hours in the middle of the 24-hour day. The open hours here run from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please note that the schedule is set to military time, so 5 p.m. is 1700. Now, let's say your business hours have changed, and using this example, the open hours start at 9 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. Simply click on one of the Monday through Friday open schedules and you'll be able to edit the schedule. Now let's talk about some of the options in the event setup before making these modifications. You'll notice the description name. This is where we name the schedules we've created for you. Repeat event here is enabled. We do this so you don't have to manually create an open or closed schedule for every day, so we just set up a weekly repetitive event. In our days, we've selected Monday through Friday, since this schedule only runs during the week. You'll notice you have the option to create events as full-day events by selecting this option. Don't do that for your open and closed hours, though, otherwise the system will run either your open hours or your closed hours schedule continually. Finally, at the bottom, you can see where you can change the hours of operation. Like I said before, let's assume the hours of operation have changed to start at 9 a.m. Simply click the hour drop-down on the left and select 9 a.m. Then make sure to click Save. Back in the calendar view, double-check to verify your open hours now reflect 9 a.m. You'll notice that it changes the open hours for every day. Since the Monday through Friday schedule is created as one repetitive event, all of the days in that event are modified, so you don't have to manually change every day. Make sure you click Save again to ensure your changes are fully saved. I'm going to click Close now, and we're going to go modify the closed hours. We need to do this so the closed hunt group and/or auto attendant runs correctly until 9 a.m. with our business hours changes. Just like the open hours, you can use the right-facing arrow in the upper left side to scroll out to future weeks and view all of your closed schedule hours. You'll notice in closed, the events start at midnight, but as you scroll down in the calendar view, you have a gap during daytime hours, as that's where your open schedule kicks in. You'll also notice there's a Monday through Friday morning closed, a Monday through Friday evening closed, and a Saturday-Sunday closed event. We have to separate the schedules like this to make sure your open schedule events run appropriately through the hunt groups and the auto attendant. Remember, we've changed our open hours to start at 9 a.m. So I now need to modify my closed hours to end at 9 a.m. To do that, simply click one of the morning closed events, and this time we're going to modify the end time on the right. Change that out to 9 a.m. and click Save. Double check that your closed hours now end at 9 a.m., then click Save again. Now that we're done modifying our closed hours, let's close this and take a look at the holidays schedule, where I'll demonstrate how you'll create holiday schedules. The holiday schedule will always seem kind of bare, since you still have the full yearly calendar to create holiday events. You can still use the right-facing arrow in the upper left side of the screen to scroll out to future holiday dates to verify if they're already configured. Let's go out to September 4th, 2023, and check if the Labor Day holiday has already been configured. It hasn't. So let's create that really quick. Click the Add Event button to create a new event. This one I'll call Labor Day 2023. Holidays like Memorial Day, Labor Day, and Thanksgiving all change dates every year. So having a designation like the year in the event name will help you verify in the future if you need to create a new event each year for the holiday. Christmas, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day can all be created as repeat events since the dates are static every year. But for Labor Day, I'll leave repeat event unselected. I'll leave all day selected because we'll be closed all day on Labor Day. You'll notice that I cannot change the start or end hours since all day is selected. Finally, make sure to change the date in the calendar drop-downs and select the appropriate date for the holiday. Then click Save, then click Save again.